Shoutout kay sir. Sobrang lakas. Okay, 5 kilometers done. Ang oras natin ay dahil tumatakbo. Okay, 4 kilometers. Okay, natin. Okay, 3 kilometers. Okay, barefoot running day 340 with Sir Daniel. Ayun o. Secret training. Warm up. Solo mode, solo. Okay, 1 kilometer. Ang pace namin ay 5 minutes and 36 seconds with Sir Wally. Ang calories burn natin ay 87 kilocalories burn. Ayun yung mama Sir Daniel. Okay, 2 kilometers. Ang pace natin ay 5 minutes and 26. So, shoutout kay Sir. Sobrang lakas. Ang calories burn natin 170 kilocalories burn. Okay, 3 kilometers. Ang pace natin 5 minutes and 1 seconds. Calories burn natin 250 kilocalories burn. Alright. Okay, 4 kilometers. Ang pace natin 4 minutes and 46 seconds. Calories burn natin 349 kilocalories burn. Okay, 5 kilometers done. Ang oras natin ay 25 minutes and 24 seconds. Ang calories burn natin ay 417 kilocalories burn. Ang pace natin huli is 4 minutes and 46 seconds. Overall pace natin ay 4 minutes and something. Basta yun na yun. Alright, cool down. Solo mode. Dahil tumatakbo. Alright, cool down na.